Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. If you're old, hello. Today's look was inspired none other than Wakanda. If you don't know, honey. Anyways, yeah, it was inspired by Black Panther. I watched the movie Black Panther, and in that movie I saw that the women were very bold, they were very bold, and the movie was all about, uniting Africa together, and there's so much to the movie. I was just inspired in my own way, and what that means for me is just being bold. This is something I would not usually wear. I'm very neutral, I'm very plain Jane, but I'm bridging out my comfort zone. So I put on, my attire, and I did my eyeshadow, and I said, let's do this, okay? So anyway, if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then let's just keep rolling into the tutorial, alright? Alright, so to start, I'm going in with my eyebrows as usual, and I'm going in with Embark eyeshadow from MAC, and I'm just going to pop that into my eyes, and we're going to get on with the routine. You guys know the drizzle for shizzle. Next, I'm going to go ahead and clean up those brows, and I'm using my LA Pro Concealer, and I'm also going to just use this to conceal my whole lid because we want to prepare the lid for the eyeshadow. Alright, I'm just going to blend that bad boy out. Have you guys watched the movie Black Panther yet? If you haven't, what are you waiting for? And if you have, what did you guys like about the movie? And then I'm just going to set it in place with my Sacha buttercup powder. Alright, so on to the fun and the bold part. We're doing something bold on the eyes as the women are in Black Panther, so I have to put my African accent on. If you don't understand, I might put translation in the bottom so you can get what we're saying in this tutorial. Anyways, we are going to use It's My Raye Raye palette. I should just... oh god, okay, let's just get serious. I'm going to use It's My Raye Raye palette, and I'm going in with Pancake, and I'm just going to use this as my transition color. So I'm just blending this out above my crease, and this is a neutral color similar to my skin tone, and just packing that on over here. Next, I'm going in with my Anastasia palette, and I'm going in with Saturn right here. It's like a brick reddish color. I'm going to apply that just under the lighter color that I use, and I'm using the same brush. And I'm going to blend those two colors in together. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a clean blending brush, and I'm just going to blend out, the Saturn into the Pancake just to get a more seamless blend. So next, to add a bit more definition, I'm going in with Parallel from my Anastasia palette again, and I'm going in with a tapered blending brush, and this is going to help me get into the crease area without going too high up. So again, I'm going in with that same clean blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend out any harsh lines just to marry Parallel with Saturn. So now that we finished blending, it's time to cut that crease. So I'm going in with my LA Pro Concealer, and I'm just going to first apply that to my lid. Oh, that was a bit too much. Apply that to my lid, and then I like to slowly work my way up, because once we mess up the crease, there ain't no going back. Trust me, I had to learn the hard way. So I look up, and as I looked up, it kind of just leaves a mark of where I should end my cutted crease. So as you can see, it touches right at the top here. If I go any under, we're just gonna be messed up. So we wanna make sure that we leave it right here. So I know I'm gonna cut my crease right here, just where the concealer touched. So let's go ahead and do that. So first I take my flat concealer brush and I just spread that out on the lid. And then next I'm going in with an eyeliner brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and use this and a little bit more of the LA Pro concealer to really define that cut crease. So next, for the outer portions of my eyes, I'm going to go in with Saturn again. And I'm just going to start applying that onto the outer corners of my eyes, blending up onto the lid. And I'm using a detailed brush. So right here. So next I'm going in with Parallel, so the same brown that we use in the crease. And I'm going to apply that on top of Saturn, but I'm just going to leave a little bit of Saturn peeking through at the outer portion here, going into the lid. And again, I'm just going to blend those two together. So next for my lid, I'm going in with Pigments from Pari, and I'm going to start off with this yellow golden shade. It's more of a yellow shade, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this in the inner portion of my eyelids. And when I get to the ending of where I want to stop, I just want to go ahead and feather that shadow out. So next I'm going to apply the pigment that is pretty much under, so this is a little bit more of a golden yellow, and I'm going to pat this in the middle of my lid. Just to make a smooth transition, I'm going to go ahead and blend out the first color with the second color. Alright, and then next I'm going to go in with this darker gold and apply this on the outer portion of my lid. So I'm just going to add a little bit more of that colour that I applied on the outer portions of my eyes because the pigment decided to cover it up. So we got to bring it back to life. And then I'm adding some more Parallel on top of that. Maybe I should have done this step last. Trial and error. For the under eyes, I'm just going to add some Parallel under the lash. And then right under that, I'm just going to add some Saturn, so that's the reddish brick colour again. I'm going to add some black liner on my waterline. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with some mascara. So next I'm just applying some lashes. So I went ahead and applied my foundation, my highlight, my contour, my powder, all that jazz to speed up the process. So next I'm going in with Razin by MAC and just gonna apply some blush. And then for my highlight, I'm using the Anastasia palette and I'm using the color Bronzed. If I can open it. And I'm going to use this small brush from It's My Raye Raye. And just apply that on. I'm going to add this color on top, tourmaline on top, just to give it a little bit. Wait, we're going to leave it like that because we don't go too crazy. Alright, lastly for my lips, I'm going to line them with chestnut lip pencil from MAC. And then I'm going in with this soft matte lip cream from NYX in the color London. Smells so good. I'm just blending that lip pencil in with London. And then lastly, I'm going to top it off with Fenty gloss. Actually, this is the last step. I'm just going to spray my face with the NYX Matte Finishing Spray.